To a very active day at the State House now. A bill that would end protections for transgender Iowans is advancing. This is a live look tonight from our state capitol in Des Moines. For a third day in a row, the bill brought fierce debate and heightened tension at the Iowa State House.
Our KCCI chief political reporter Amanda Rooker has been working to learn why this bill seems to be fast-tracking through the State House. A top Republican senator says this bill, Amanda, is in response to a lawsuit over bathrooms and gender identity.
That's right, Jody and Laura. That lawsuit accuses a Iowa City School District of denying a transgender man access to the public men's restroom. That lawsuit was filed last Monday. Last Thursday, a bill was introduced at the Iowa State House to remove gender identity from Iowa's Civil Rights Act, and that bill has moved incredibly quickly. It could even go to the governor's desk for a signature by the end of this week. That's if state lawmakers decide to pass this bill tomorrow.
I would move Senate File 418.
A bill to remove civil rights protections for transgender Iowans has cleared major hurdles in a matter of days, despite pushback from protesters Monday and pleas from transgender Iowans Tuesday.
Families just like mine will be stripped of our basic freedoms.
Identical versions of the bill in the Iowa House and Senate are on track for a final vote Thursday. That's 1 week after the legislation was introduced.
The effort has started with a recent filing of a lawsuit.
Republican Senator Jason Schultz says the effort stems from this lawsuit. It was filed on behalf of a transgender man against his daughter's school district in Iowa City. It accuses Liberty High School of denying the man access to the public men's restroom because of his gender identity. It cites a 2023 law requiring Iowans use the bathroom that matches their sex at birth. The lawsuit also says that, quote, the Iowa Civil Rights Act prohibits discrimination in public accommodations based on gender identity.
We find ourselves in the peculiar position of being the only state in the country in which we have the words gender identity in Civil Rights Code and also protections for women, children, and taxpayers. They are at odds.
Schultz says striking gender identity from Iowa's Civil Rights Code would also protect Iowa laws that ban minors from receiving gender transition procedures and transgender girls from playing girls' sports.
What this bill does is far more than that.
Democratic Senator Matt Blake says the bill removes protections against discrimination for being transgender in areas like housing, employment, and education.
We are saying you are not welcome here. You do not belong in this state. We don't want you. That is what this bill says to every trans Iowan, to every person that has issues related to their gender identity.
Now, Iowans do have one more opportunity to provide in-person feedback on this bill. That is a public hearing in the Iowa House. It's at the State House at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow in room 103. Iowans do have to sign up beforehand to be able to speak. You can find that link to sign up at the legislative website. You have to go to the public hearings page. The website is legis.iowa.gov. Live from the Iowa State House, Amanda Rooker, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.